All right, we'll do a cold start on the 56 F100. So about 825 miles on the build since frame off restored. This one's getting up to concourse level restoration. Talk about that a bit more on the walk around. But the original 272 Y block's been replaced with a 292. Got 60 on the block, intake, hose. She's definitely sensitive, doesn't need much fuel to get it started. And I found just about a quarter of a pull on the choke. Let's see how that does. Just like a clock. The original ram horn exhaust manifolds, those things are like art themselves. Just purring. Let's see, we'll go off on the choke. Give it a little bit of gas. Got a good sounding set of duals. Walk around and go through everything else next.